In version 2.1, QBank folder should contain all your main documents. When you open the test version, you'll notice that the tab and button names have been changed. I've redesigned the user interface to align with your brand's font and color scheme. Documents are automatically extracted when the UI is opened. Now, when you select a document from the drop-down menu, it will load all the questions from that chosen document. You can also apply filters based on region, and I've adjusted the list and preview sizes. To improve user experience, I've added a scroll bar for easier navigation. Furthermore, you can double-click to insert the selected question. As you can see, the formatting now matches that of the database document. For added convenience, I've included a button that allows you to resize the UI, making the most of available space. These enhancements should make the UI more user-friendly and in line with your branding.